In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an existing project into Lovable. We'll walk through connecting your GitHub account so Lovable can see your existing code base and get it ready to bring into your workspace. Start by opening the Lovable dashboard in your browser. This is your home base and it's where you'll find all the key navigation. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace if you use more than one. That ensures your import lands in the correct place. On the left side of the dashboard, look for your profile icon. It typically sits in the sidebar along with other navigation items. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where Lovable groups personal and workspace controls, so it's the quickest route to the settings you'll need for integrating external services. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the Workspace Settings area. You'll see several tabs or sections here for different integrations and preferences. We're focusing on the GitHub connection, which is what allows Lovable to securely read your repository and set up your project. In the settings, open the GitHub section. This is the dedicated page for managing your GitHub link. You'll see an option to connect. Before you proceed, know that Lovable requests only the permissions it needs to access your repository. You can review those during authorization, and you can disconnect at any time from this same page. Click Connect GitHub. A new window will prompt you to sign into GitHub if you aren't already. If you have multiple GitHub accounts, make sure you're using the one that owns or has access to the repository you want to import. If you work within an organization, you may be asked to grant Lovable access to that organization. If you have limited permissions, you might need an admin to approve the connection. You can also choose to limit access to specific repositories during this authorization step if that fits your security preferences. After you sign in and approve, GitHub will redirect you back to Lovable. You should now see your GitHub connection marked as active in the settings. If it doesn't update immediately, give the page a quick refresh. With the connection in place, Lovable can discover your repositories so you can move forward with importing your existing project into your workspace. That's the process from start to finish. Open the Lovable dashboard, use your profile icon to access settings, head to the GitHub section, click Connect, sign in and authorize, and you're done. Your project is now ready to be imported through Lovable.